In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, visual map you can tweak for brainstorming, planning, or studying, all without starting from scratch. First, open the Notion website in your browser. When the home page loads, look for the Marketplace. Depending on your view, it may be labeled the Template Gallery. This is where Notion showcases ready-made layouts you can drop into your workspace to speed up your workflow. Click Marketplace, then go to the search bar at the top and type Mind Map. Press Enter to see a selection of mind map templates designed for visual thinking. Take a moment to scan the preview cards so you can get a feel for their style and structure. When one seems like a good fit for your topic and preferences, click the template to open its full preview and choose Add. Notion will place a copy into your workspace so you can tailor it to your needs. Once the template is added, it's time to customize. Start by renaming the page to reflect your topic. Keep it short and clear so it's easy to find later. Identify the central idea of your mind map and edit the main node text accordingly. From there, adjust the branches. Replace placeholder labels with your key themes and fill in sub-branches with supporting points, examples, or tasks. Keep formatting consistent to make your map easy to scan. Use color to group related concepts, add icons or emojis to signal categories, and drag items to reorder them until the structure reads naturally. If the template uses toggles or callouts, collapse detailed sections so the high-level picture stays uncluttered. Short labels, 2 to 4 words, tend to work best, and parallel phrasing across branches helps ideas line up visually. Think about hierarchy as you go. The closer a branch is to the center, the more central it is to your idea. Push smaller details outward so the middle stays clean. If you need more space or want a repeatable pattern, duplicate a branch to keep formatting consistent. Notion saves changes automatically, so feel free to experiment and iterate without worrying about losing progress. When your content is in place, give the map a quick polish. Remove redundant nodes, tighten wording, and color code related sections so patterns stand out at a glance. If the template includes guidance blocks or demo content, delete them once you've filled in your own material. When it looks clean and logical, you're done. You've created a flexible mind map in Notion that you can keep evolving as your ideas grow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy mapping your next big idea.